Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, let's delve into the art of waking up early without feeling like you're fighting a losing battle every morning. Setting a consistent sleep schedule. First things first, establishing a consistent sleep schedule is crucial. Try going to bed and waking up at the same time every day to regulate your body's internal clock. Creating a pre-bedtime routine. Create a pre-bedtime routine that helps signal your body that it's time to wind down. Engaging in relaxing activities like reading or taking a warm bath can prepare you for a restful sleep. Limiting screen time before bed. Try to limit screen time before bed. The blue light emitted from screens can interfere with your body's ability to wind down. Aim to avoid screens at least an hour before bedtime. Creating an ideal sleep environment. Make sure your sleep environment is conducive to rest. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet to promote better sleep quality. Using alarms wisely. Use your alarm wisely. Place it across the room so you have to physically get out of bed to turn it off, reducing the temptation to hit snooze repeatedly. Exposure to morning light. Expose yourself to morning light. Natural light helps regulate your body's internal clock and signals that it's time to start the day. Consistency is key. Stick to your sleep schedule even on weekends to help your body maintain a regular sleep pattern. Conclusion. These tips can make waking up early a lot easier. Start incorporating them into your routine and see the positive changes in your mornings. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.